everybody, and this is Animal Crossing episode 9. In this episode, we were supposed to sell... What? You know which one I'm gonna choose, but it's a hard decision. Both the palm trees have one. This one sells more in the right. It is a elephant beetle, and it says mosquito, I'm trying to get a oh baby. Oh, you know I'm gonna swap it. In this episode, we're supposed to sell my beetles. I had 3 these type of beetles. I don't know what they're called. So they're called Goliath beetles. Each of them were 6,000 bells. I had 3 of those, an Atlas beetle and an elephant beetle. We sold those the other episode, which got corrupted. And we got 80,000 bells. And we made a... What? I swear, guys, I am not cheating. I swear. This is... Mosquito! Don't try me. I hope this gets recorded. Oh my god. You know what I'm gonna throw? I'm gonna throw everything down. Oh my god. Luckiest day of my life. I feel so great. I hope this thing doesn't. Oh yes. Okay, I'm just gonna stop it here and cut for Tuesday, and I'm gonna record the rest here because I think this file is gonna get corrupted. I just don't want this file to get corrupted. Well then, I'm gonna return at Tuesday in the morning, and we're gonna, see some stuff, see some real stuff. Yes. Oh, I just want to tell you, I brought a CD player. Yep. See you tomorrow morning, where I continue this episode. Bye. Bye. See you guys. Bye.